Walters Wednesday, April the 15th, 2020. And yes, we are eastbound and down. We're headed for Friday. And we're halfway there. Today we are going to be covering the Civics EOC Review Part 2. And look at Mr. Bean and his pretty picture. Get out there and be awesome. Well, don't get too far because, you know, we have to social distance, but 6 feet. There you go. What are we doing today? Well, number one, you need to take your attendance quiz because it's a grade today. Yes, it's a grade. 2, you're going to go through this PowerPoint. So make sure you go through here. Lots of good info in here. 3, you're going to watch Part 2 of Mr. Raymond's Civics EOC Review. It's about 10 minutes long today. And while you're watching his review, you're going to do the guided notes for the video. Don't turn these notes into me because I don't need them because I know it. I know this information. You need these notes. Keep them because you're going to use them tomorrow for the attendance quiz. Okay? And this is what it looks like if you go to YouTube and type in Mr. Raymond's Civics EOC State Exam Review Part 2. You'll see it. Or you can follow this link. Or you can follow one of the links that I'm going to put in assignments or in focus or on the front general posts page of Teams. So it's going to be in a plethora of places. That's a good word for you. Plethora. For you to find and link yourself up to this little video. Now, where can you find the links? Well, I just said that. Well, let's talk about it again, though, okay? The link to Mr. Raymond's Civics EOC Part 2 is in Assignments. It's below today's announcement on the General Post page, and it's going to be in Focus. The link to the guided notes for the video is in Assignments. And I know some of you have trouble opening it, but I tell you, if you can get it to open on your phone and then print it off your phone, then you're halfway there. But if you can't, you can open it up in Focus. Download it, save it, and then just tap on it, and you have it. If you can't open it for whatever reason on either one of those two pages, let me know, and I will email you a copy or something, okay? So, last but not least, it is a Walters Wednesday, and that means something's coming your way, hopefully. Keep an eye out for some extra credit coming your way today. I'll send it out in assignments between 8 and 3 p.m. And you know when something comes through that I put on there because you should get some kind of like notification, or you should see like it pop up in your activities when you're looking at when you're looking in Teams. You know, you have assignments, you've got your calendar, you've got posts, and then up the top it says activity. You'll see something pop up, and keep your eye open. Look and pay attention for it. So between 8 and 3, I will send it out, and you need to make sure that you answer the question and post it back to me by 3 p.m. today. Alrighty? So, once again, I'll say it for you. Your extra credit for today's, and it'll go on top of your attendance quiz, will come out today sometime between 8 and 3. I would say probably by lunchtime. And you need to get it posted back to me to get extra credit by 3 o'clock. If you post it after 3, you are not getting extra credit, okay? So, it pays to be paying attention. And then, look at that little face. You don't want to be doing that little face begging me for extra credit. Get it done today, y'all. All right? Take care. Have a wonderful Walters Wednesday. And I will talk to you tomorrow.